Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to draw this diamond pattern using for loops in Java. In step 1, draw this pattern into rows and column format and give number to these lines. Then second step is coding. First part is variable declaration. Declare a line variable for lines. Then declare space count variable for space. Declare star count variable for star, and one more variable we need to declare, that is mid, for the middle line of this pattern. Second part is variable initialization. This pattern has 5 lines, so initialize 5 to lines variable. Then count the number of space in first line. First line has 2 space, so initialize 2 to space count variable. Then count the number of star in first line. First line has only 1 star, so initialize 1 to star count variable. And middle line is always the half of the number of total lines plus 1, means here value of mid variable is 5 plus 1, that is 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Then we need a loop to control the lines. So first thing is loop is going to start from 1, and how much is it going, that depends on number of lines, that is 5. Here we have 5 lines, so it will go up to 5, and then each time we are going to increment I by 1. Now when we have gone through the lines, we need to manage the space and stars. When we are in the first line, second line, we need to define 2 for loops, that is one for space and another for stars. Here the space must be printed before the stars, so first we are using a loop to manage the space. Now we need to define a condition that starts from 1 and it goes up to the space count variable, and then each time we are going to increment j by 1. Then we need to print a space inside this for loop. Why we use here system.out.print instead of system.out.println, that is discussed on my previous video. So check that video if you don't know the difference between these two statements. Then star should be printed after the space. So we are using another for loop for the stars. Then we need to define a condition that starts from 1 and it goes up to the star count variable, that is 1, and then each time we are going to increment k for printing these stars one after another on same line. Then we need to print a star inside this for loop. Then every time when line is completed, we need to shift onto the next line. So we come out this loop and print a new line. Use system.out.println for shift to the next line. Then see the above part of middle line. Each time when line is completed, number of space are decreased by 1 and star increased by 2. So take a conditional statement. If I less than mid, execute this if block, that is space count equal to space count minus 1, means space count decreased by 1, and star count equal to star count plus 2 because star is increased by 2. Then see the below part of middle line. Each time when line is completed, number of space is increased by 1 and star is decreased by 2. So take a else statement and give conditions. Space count equal to space count plus 1 because space is increased, and star count equal to star count minus 2 because star is decreased. Here our coding part is completed. Let's see the logic behind this. First of all, declare and initialize these 4 variables. Then comes to this for loop, int I equal to 1 less than equal to lines. First of all, because of I equal to 1, line 1 is selected. Then 1 less than equal to 5, condition is true, so comes to this for loop. int j equal to 1, j less than equal to space count, j less than 1 less than equal to 2, so print space, then go back to j plus plus, j becomes 2, 2 less than equal to 2, so print space, then go back to j plus plus, j becomes 3, but 3 is not less than equal to 2, so end this for loop and comes to this for loop, int k equal to 1, 1 less than equal to 1, condition is true, so print the star, then go back to k plus plus, k becomes 2, but 2 is not less than equal to 1, so end this for loop and prints the new line because of system.out.println statement comes here. Then if I less than equal to mid, means if 1 is less than equal to 3, then reinitialize these variables, space count equal to space count minus 1, so space count becomes 1 and star count becomes 3. This else block is not executed because this condition is true. Then go back to I plus plus, I becomes 2, so second line is selected, then 2 less than equal to 5, condition is true, comes to this for loop, now j equal to 1, 1 less than equal to 1, so print space, then j plus plus, j becomes 2, but 2 is not less than equal to space 1, so end this for loop and comes to this for loop, now k equal to 1, 1 less than equal to 3, condition is true, so print the star, then go back to k plus plus, k becomes 2, 2 less than equal to 3, so again print the star, then k becomes 3, 3 less than equal to 3, print star, then k becomes 4, but 4 is not less than equal to 3, so end this for loop and prints the new line. Now if I less than mid, if 2 less than mid, then reinitialize the variable, so space count becomes 0 and star count becomes 5, then the else block is not executed. Go back to I plus plus, I becomes 3, 3 less than equal to 5, so execute this for loop, j equal to 1, first of all line 3 is selected, then j equal to 1, 1 less than equal to 0, this is a false statement, so nothing will be printed here, and end this for loop, comes to this for loop, k equal to 1, 1 less than equal to 5, condition is true, so print star, then go back to k plus plus, k becomes 2, 2 less than equal to 5, print star. Similarly, these 3 stars also printed until the k becomes 6. Then end this for loop and prints new line. Then if I less than mid, 3 less than 3. This is not true condition. So if block is not executed, comes to else block, reinitialize space count variable. Now space count equal to space count plus 1. So space count becomes 1 and star count becomes 3. Then go back to I plus plus, I becomes 4. So line 4 is selected. Then 4 less than equal to 5. So comes to this for loop, j equal to 1. 1 less than equal to 1, condition is true, so print space. Then int k equal to 1. 1 less than equal to 3, so print star. Then k becomes 2. 2 less than equal to 3, so again print star. Then k becomes 3. 3 less than equal to 3, so print star. Then k becomes 4, but 4 is not less than equal to 3, so end this for loop and prints a new line. Then if I less than mid, 3, what, I is 4, but 4 is not less than 3, so do not execute this if block, execute this else block. So space count becomes 2 and star count becomes 1. Then go back to I++, I becomes 5. 5 less than equal to lines, 5 less than equal to 5, condition true. So execute this for loop in j equal to 1. 1 less than equal to 2, condition is satisfied, so print space. Then go back to j++, j becomes 2. 2 less than equal to 2, again print space. Then j becomes 3, but 3 not less than equal to 2, so in this for loop and comes to this for loop, k equal to 1. 1 less than equal to 1, so print star. Now k becomes 2, but 2 is not less than equal to 1, so end this for loop and comes to this line, print a new line. Then if I less than mid, that is 5 less than mid, not true, so do not execute this for if block, execute else block. Now space count becomes 3 and star count becomes -2. Comes to I++, I becomes 6, but 6 is not less than equal to 5, so end this for loop also. Here our logic part is also completed. Now we will run this program on Eclipse. Okay. Thank you for watching my video.